Hey guys, Justin Johnson here, MarineMax in Clearwater, of course. Today I've got a special one. This is actually a 2020 270 Boston Whaler Dauntless, not a 2021. This is a leftover 2020, therefore this boat is highly discounted and it's ready to go. Let's check it out real quick. Notice at the dash here, it's already equipped with the Marine GPS and fish finder, Bluetooth radio, digital throttle, trim tabs. Back here you'll notice the beautiful Mercury Verado. This is going to be a flip-up seat, stand-up live well. Also guys, if you're not using this live well, you can plug it and use it as a cooler. Freshwater wash down here as well. Notice how much space we have as we're walking through this boat, especially between the center console and the gunnels. And here's where it gets good. Beautiful bow here, it's laid out perfectly. You'll notice the huge lounger here, perfect for two people to lay down and relax. And then obviously the lounge up here as well. These cushions can be removed and used as a fishing platform. And now we can create a lounge as well here. This boat's also going to be equipped with the windlass anchor. Makes it perfect and easy to do. If you'd like to know anything else about this beautiful boat, please feel free to reach out to me at 813-424-6084. Thank you very much. Enjoy the water.